friends, myself Rakesh. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how do you create a new line. Let's say you are typing a message box where there are multiple lines and certain lines you like them to appear not in the continuous way, but that should appear below that, right? It should appear in a new line. So how to do that? Let's get started. So for that, let me simply drag and drop a message box. Okay. So now inside this message box, let's say I'm going to say hello and then let's say, or else let me say welcome to Expo Hub. Okay, so this is the first one. Now let's say I want to type another line, right? Let's say I'm going to say um, what to say, I'm not getting sentence. Let's say I want to add another welcome to Expo Hub as a dot, and then here I'm going to say uh, did you subscribe to our channel? By the way, in case you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. All right, so these are the two lines. Let me save it and let me run it. So what is happening is when I see the output, okay, I can see that welcome to Expo, did you subscribe to our channel? Now these two are coming in the same line, right? I do not want that. I want that to appear in the new line. So for that, what I'll be using, there's a environment class that is called, so I'll use a plus sign. So in between these two plus signs, I'm going to write there's something called environment with the class dot. If you put dot, now all these things can be used: command line, current directory equals exit code, okay? And there is something called new line. Do you see this? Machine name, new line, OS version if you want to get. So all these things are possible through the environment class. So here I'll be using new line for this video. So now if I run it, okay, so here you can see that welcome to Expo Hub, did you subscribe to our channel? Alright guys, so this is how the new line gets created. Please do subscribe to the channel, please do comment and do like the video. Thank you very much guys.